Hey everyone, welcome back to CodeTechAyush. Today I'm going to show you something that completely changed the way I build project. Recently I discovered an AI tool called Bold AI. And honestly, when I was heard about it, I thought okay, another AI website claiming it can build apps. But after actually using it and building two real projects with it, my opinion completely changed. In this video, I will show you what Bolt AI is, how I build real-time internet speed test, how I built the PDF editor platform, and what I liked and what I didn't like. And finally, whether developers should actually use it or not. So make sure to watch till the end because the result surprised me. Let's get started. First of all, what exactly is Bolt AI? Bolt AI is an AI-powered development platform that allows you to create completely web applications just by using prompts. Think about it. Instead of writing hundreds of lines of code manually, you can simply describe what you want. For example, I want a real-time internet speed testing website, and Bolt AI starts generating the front-end, back-end, component, and project structure. It's almost like having an AI developer sitting beside you. Now, obviously, it's not perfect, but the speed at which it generated application is honestly impressive. Let's talk about the project one. First project. So the first project I decided to build was a real-time internet speed test platform. Why this project? I selected this project because it sounds simple, but actually require multiple functionalities. For example, download speed detection, upload speed detections, ping calculations, live UI update, responsive design. So it was good test for build AI. What prompt I used? I gave Bolt AI a prompt something like create a modern real-time internet speed test website with download speed, upload speed, ping measurement, beautiful UI and responsive design. Then I waited. Honestly, within a few minutes, Bolt AI generated the complete project structure. The UI looked surprisingly modern. The speed meter animation were already there. The layout was responsive, and most importantly, the application was actually working. As you can see here, this is the demo sessions. As you can see here, when I clicked on start test, the application began calculating download speed, upload speed, ping, and the results are displayed in the real time. For a project generated primarily using AI, this was genuinely impressive. So what I liked here, fast development, good UI design, clean component structure, easy modifications. Overall, for this project, Bolt AI saved a lot of development times. Now let's talk about the second project, the PDF editor platform. Why this was challenging? Like a speed testing website, a PDF editor requires more functionalities. For example, uploading PDF file, reading PDF content, editing features, user-friendly interface, file management. Like we want to convert some file to PDF to Word, then we can convert here Word to PDF, PDF to Excel, PDF to PPT, AI translation, and many more. The prompt I gave here, I gave Bolt AI a detailed prompt describing the platform. I want a modern PDF editing application with built functionality and editing capabilities. A little bit what I am expecting and what features I want, that I gave here. Again, Bolt AI generated the application structure very quickly. The UI was actually quite professional. The file upload section worked, the dashboard looked clean, and the overall experience felt similar to many SaaS products available online. And what challenges I faced here? Now, here where reality comes in. When Bolt AI generated most of the foundations, some advanced PDF functionalities required manual adjustment, and that's expected. AI can accelerate development, but for complex business logic, developers still need to step in. So some importance point, and honestly, that's where I think bold AI shine. It's not replacing developer, it's making developers faster. Instead of spending hours creating layout, components and boilerplate code, you can focus on solving actual problems. Let's talk about my experience using Bold AI. So, after building these two projects, here are my thoughts. The things I solved: extremely fast, beginner friendly, great UI generation, good for map development, rapid prototyping. If you have an idea and want to validate it quickly, Bolt AI can save days of work. Okay, now let's talk about some negative points. But there are also some limitations in the Bolt AI. Let's discuss about it. Complex logic sometimes break, requires prompt refinement, advanced feature need manual coding, not always production ready. And honestly, that's perfectly fine. No AI tool today can magically replace proper software engineering. This is probably the biggest question is, should developer manually use Bolt AI? My answer is absolutely yes. But not as a replacement, use it as an assistant. Think of Bolt AI like a super fast junior developer. It can build foundations, it can generate interface, it can create project structure, but the final polishing, optimizations, and the advanced logic still require human developers. So, what is the future of AI development? And after using tools like Bolt AI, one thing is becoming very clear: the future of development is changing. Developers who learn how to use AI effectively will build product faster than ever before. The goal isn't to compete with AI. The goal is to work alongside AI. So that's my complete experience after building two real projects using Bolt AI, the real-time internet speed test and the PDF editor platform. Overall, I was genuinely impressed by how quickly I could go from an idea to a working application. Now, I want to know your opinion. Have you used Bolt AI? Do you think AI tools will change software development? Let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, comment your thoughts and subscribe to CodeTechAyush. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep building and keep learning. Thank you so much.